Hello everyone, this is introduction of color replacement in VMP software. Set the color before and after replacement. Method 1. Click the color area here to open the color palette and set a color. Method 2. Click the eyedropper here and select a color in topology area. Set hue tolerance, hue softness, and the shadow strength. Hue tolerance indicates the hue range of the color to be replaced. The larger the value, the larger the replacement area. Hue softness means the hue softness of the transition area. Shadow strength means the gradient parameter of the highlight or shadow area. Larger value, smoother gradient. Set the switch status of view matte and skin tone accuracy as required. View matte means a grayscale image with different levels of intensity used to show the area of image that is affected by the color replace operation. Skin tone accuracy means keeps the skin tone as original as possible.